In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an object in PowerPoint. Locking objects is a simple way to keep your slide design consistent and prevent accidental changes while you work. It's especially useful when you've placed a shape, image, icon, or text box exactly where you want it and don't want it nudged out of place as you edit other elements. Start by clicking the object you want to lock. You can lock most visual elements, including shapes, pictures, icons, and text boxes. If it's a text box, make sure you click the border so the whole box is selected, not just the text inside. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles around it. Next, right-click the selected object to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Lock and choose it. That's it. The object is now fixed in place. You won't be able to move or resize it, and it won't accidentally shift if you drag other items near it. This is great when you're laying out titles, logos, or background shapes that should remain consistent from slide to slide. You can still work with other elements on the slide as usual, and you'll notice how much smoother editing becomes when key pieces stay put. If you don't see the lock option when you right-click, you're likely using an older version of PowerPoint. Locking objects is available in PowerPoint for Microsoft 365. If your version doesn't support this feature, consider updating to a Microsoft 365 build that includes it, as the lock function won't appear in many older releases. When an object is locked, PowerPoint treats it like a protected layer. You can click it, but you won't be able to drag it or resize it by mistake. This is particularly helpful for maintaining alignment and spacing in complex slides, or when you're collaborating and want to prevent accidental edits to key design elements. If you need to make a change later, unlocking is just as straightforward. Right-click the object and choose Unlock. Once it's unlocked, you can move it, resize it, or adjust its formatting just like any other item. When you're done, you can lock it again to keep your layout stable. That's all there is to it. Select your object, right-click to lock it, and enjoy a more controlled editing experience. And when you need to adjust something, simply unlock it the same way. With this small habit, you'll keep your slides cleaner, more consistent, and easier to manage as your presentation grows.